Kyoka Jiro, Jiro Kyoka, is a popular character from the anime and manga series My Hero Academia, Boku no Hero Academia, created by Kohei Horikoshi. Hero name, Earphone Jack. Earphone Jack. She has headphone jacks hanging from her earlobes that she can plug into objects to channel the sound of her heartbeat, which can create powerful vibrations. She also uses them to enhance her hearing. Affiliation: UA High School, Class 1A. Birthday: August 1st. Cool, laid-back, witty, and sometimes sarcastic. Despite her tough exterior, she cares deeply for her friends and has a shy, sweet side, especially when it comes to music. Music guitar. She plays multiple instruments, especially the bass guitar, and dreams of being a rock musician. Played a major role during the UA School Festival with her music performance. Shows leadership and bravery during team battles and training sessions. Kyoka's quirk allows her to use the headphone jack-like appendages on her earlobes to plug into solid surfaces and transmit sonic vibrations. Channel her heartbeat as a powerful sound wave, capable of destroying objects or stunning enemies. Detect distant sounds like an enhanced sonar system, making her excellent at reconnaissance. She also uses amplifiers built into her hero costume to boost her sonic attacks. This combo makes her both an offensive and support-type hero. Cool and chill most of the time, often acting as the straight man in comedic scenes. Has a sarcastic streak, but is very caring and loyal. She's insecure about being perceived as uncool or girly, especially around her musical talents.